If you got a tension headache, let's get that fixed right now. Follow along as I go through one of my favorite tension headache relief treatments. All you'll need is 2 tennis balls and a comfy place to lay down. The first thing we're going to do is take 2 tennis balls and place them directly below our head as shown. This will help release some of the small muscles just below the skull. Next, what I want you to do is take the pads of our index fingers and we're going to close our eyes, go around our eyes and up to our eyebrows. Then down to the bridge of our nose, putting light to medium pressure down through the cheekbone and down to the jaw. We're going to do 3 of those, keeping our eyes closed. So around the eye, up to the eyebrow, down to the bridge of the nose, to the cheekbones, and down to the jaw. One more. Good. The next thing that we're going to do is called a temporalis release. So we're going to take this temporal muscle here and we're going to take one hand, reach it over top of the head, take the other hand, feel this bony prominence here, it's called the zygomatic arch, and we're going to hold one hand here pulling the skin down, and we're going to take this top hand here and pull the skin up. You should feel a good stretch in the fascia, the muscle, and hold this for about 30 seconds, or I like to think take 6 deep breaths. Don't forget to do the other side. Now we're going to sit up slowly. Next, we're going to stretch some of the muscles around the neck. The first one I like to start with is getting these muscles here in the front. Hold all of the stretch positions for about 30 seconds. So we're going to bring our head back, put our hand on our chest like this, and then close our mouth. Next, we're going to bring the chin to the chest. We're going to bring one hand just below the base of the skull, pulling this hand up towards the head. The other hand's going to go just a little bit down and pull down towards your back. Now we're going to rotate the head, holding each direction for 30 seconds. And the other direction. Now let's stretch out some of those shoulder muscles that attach to the base of the skull. So let's drop the ear down to the shoulder, holding for 30 seconds. And then rotate the nose towards the armpit. And if you'd like to add a little overpressure with this, you can take one hand and pull. Get a little bit deeper of a stretch. And we're going to do that one on both sides. So dropping the ear down to the shoulder. Hold this one for 30 seconds. Again, if you'd like to add a little bit of overpressure, you can. And then we're going to take the nose and rotate it towards the armpit. Notice I pull slightly different with my hand after rotating the nose. Then take a deep breath in, arms going up overhead. And as you blow out, I want your shoulder blades to squeeze down and back. Hopefully your headache no longer exists. The number one cause of these tension headaches is stress. Check out this video here to help reduce stress and anxiety.